Yebo, asingeneni ku-hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi Saki. I'm a lady aged 25 years old and need your help. I dated a married man for 2 years. Pakutanga ndaisaziva since he was based out of Harare. He was very good at hiding it. He was very consistent in his ways. Zvekuti handinombofungira kuti he was married. Akazouya kuzondiona and slept over. That's when I discovered that he left his wife in skies. I wanted to leave him, but I was already deep into it. Besides, pandakaziva I was already 4 weeks pregnant. So I took the opportunity to tell him nezve mimba, and he started pulling back. Ndakazosara ndozvara pasisina relationship. I was working hangu, so I managed to take care of my pregnant self and my little girl when she arrived. In March, he reached out, curious to know if I had given birth. Achiratidza kuda mwana, so I opened up and allowed him to come Kumba to see his daughter. The issue is I had moved on, and another man is paying rent for me. He knows my story near this guy. We started as friends ndine Numbu at 3 months, but ended up dating. So he refuses for my baby daddy to come and see his child pamba pari kurenta. Mwana is still little, anotoda kuonekwa in a closed environment. Handina kumwe kwandinokwanisa kusangana naye. Chazondiomera ndechekuti my boyfriend says he wants to marry me in September and is insisting to take responsibility for my child's upkeep. He says he cannot commit as long as this man continues to visit and requests to see mwana. He strongly feels that it's unnecessary for him to get involved now since mwana asati akuziva. He can come visit when the child is old enough to know kuti ava ndivo daddy vake. Akatonditi if he wants to give you money, ngaatumire pa phone or bank account. Vedare, really? I don't know how to feel about this. My fear is it will affect bond rababa ni mwana. I need your advice. Should I listen to my boyfriend and block my baby daddy from our child? Marriage ndirkuida. But is it wise to go ahead with all his requests? Iyo iho topic yetu ya namhlanje.